So clearly to Judge Watson, we heard it in his questions this morning, but I think we could see it in black and white in his order. He was very focused on a lot of what had been said beforehand to say that it couldn't just be cured by simply inserting a lot of neutral language and then asking everybody to pretend that it didn't happen. And I think what I saw even further was that it seemed like Judge Watson took it even one step further, where he noted that in the decision that it actually appears that the fact that there was such great pains to make the language more neutral actually served as a pretext. It actually showed that they were trying even harder to mask what was a religious animus, and animus just means basically hostility, and that's what we were arguing today. Not myself, but the people who were arguing on the state's behalf had said, which is that whenever you have a hostility towards a particular religion or a particular nation of origin, that's certainly going to be something that's going to be not only improper, but something that's violating the Constitution. So it does appear that Judge Watson reached his decision on constitutional grounds. It was based upon the Establishment Clause. That'll be a question that'll go to Judge Watson. That might be something. And so to me, your question to me is who's the winner, and I actually think it's the children and the next generation and the people that we're trying to preserve our society for. It's people like that, because ultimately this is a decision that people will read about, and obviously we're in the people will read about it and evaluate and take apart or question. We're in a process right now, but ultimately what I think the public needs to understand is that this is what the checks and balances system is all about. That the president might make certain decisions, but the way our government works, then we also need to be able to also take our own steps to be able to check and balance out that whole process. We're going to appeal this. We want the opportunity to be able to argue this, but in the meantime, can you?
Hawaii has a proud history of welcoming legal immigrants into our community, and really being able to celebrate that diversity. We learned a long time ago that when people of diverse backgrounds can work together, we can accomplish great things. We do believe that current laws provides a rigorous process of screening visitors to Hawaii that ensures the safety and well-being of our community. We depend on access to Hawaii from around the world, and that continues to be very important. But we felt compelled to assure that we will not tolerate discrimination on the basis of national origin or religion, because that truly goes against the very essence of what makes Hawaii a very special place.
To stay his temporary restraining order while they appeal